Some climbers aim high. Others aim higher. And then there are those climbers who are happy just to get to the top of anything.
What do you want to do today?
Hey, we could go climbing. We've got a little window in the weather here.
Yeah. Well, what are we going to climb?
Firecracker Hill. Oh, come on, it snowed. There's no tracks. No one would know we weren't the first.
Do you think they'd think we were the first?
First of the millennium.
First of the millennium.
All right, let's do it.
Firecracker Hill.
Here we come.
You know, we might want to hire some Sherpies.
Yeah. How about a couple of those Malamutes up on Main Street?
Sure.
They're good, sturdy dogs.
I mean, I've seen the movies. Nobody ever carries their own stuff.
Not when you're world class.
It's not done.
Right. Okay, so I got a topo map, and I've mapped it all out, you know.
What does topo mean?
No idea. That's what they all say.
Right.
All right? Then we catch the free shuttle, you know, because this approach is pretty hairy.
So you think the bus is the way to go?
I think the bus is the way to go.
Okay.
And you know where Town Park is?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
All right, then.
Ha! We can use this. Hey! 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 What the hell are you doing? Crossing the river. Yeah, well, you don't need to. No, I don't. No, you don't. Okay. Hurry up. Come on, there's a storm rolling in.
There go Jeb and Bunzy to Firecracker Hill, and think they're Conrad Anchor, but they're really Benny Hill. 'Cause there's something about climbing that they'll never know. There's something about climbing that they'll never know.
Well, the air's thin at this altitude.
Yep.
It's going to take us at least 3 to 6 minutes to acclimate. Here's your avalanche beacon.
Thank you.
Here's mine.
Good.
If anything
right.
happens, you call me on this,
Okay.
okay? Perhaps some carbohydrates are just the thing that we'll need to climb this mountain.
I know. Well, let's keep going. All right. And there's a cloud starting to come over, so thank you. All right. I love mountain climbing.
In the pantheon of physical endurance endeavors, I would say nothing holds a candle to Firecracker Hill. I mean, here in Town Park, I mean, there is no more classic climb, really.
I like climbing. I like the outdoors. And what do you think is what I'm saying? Like, oh, I don't know. It could be dangerous up there. Oh yes, it could be dangerous. we could, something horrible could happen.
This is my 4th attempt. I went up in '91 with the American expedition. It was all women. We all had to turn back. We left a couple of them on the hill, actually. And then again in, sorry.
I bring a lot of things with me that I think I'll need. You don't know what's going to happen up there. That's the thing. You don't know who you're going to run into, if it's going to be whatever. I mean, if it's a blizzard, what do you do?
I'm very, very excited and confident that Jeb, who is just a great partner, I mean, I trust the guy of my life. I think he feels the same.
As far as my partner goes, I don't trust him. Just don't.
You ready? Shall we do a little prayer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right?
I love you, man.
I love you too. Okay. Let's do it. Let's go bang that pig.
Get it, man!
All right.
Let's get it!
Go! Come on!
Oh!
Let's bivouac here. Camp 2.
No. Listen. I got an idea. Let's drop everything we don't need. We got a window here. Let's just make a lightning quick assault on the summit, all right?
Okay.
All right.
When's our turnaround time?
I don't know. I didn't bring my watch.
We're almost there! I'm okay!
Every tortured fiber of my being aches for the descent into the kindness of the valley below.
Grab my pole!
Okay!
The summit!
It's the summit! It's the
Little Jeb and Bunzy, Firecracker Hill. Think the Conrad anchor, but they're really Benny Hill. 'Cause there's something about climbing that they'll never know. There's something about climbing that they'll never